What is walking meditation?
Walking meditation is a form of mindfulness where you bring full awareness to the act of walking. Unlike a simple stroll, it focuses your attention on each step, your breath, and the sensations in your body. Practicing walking meditation can help relieve stress, promote relaxation, and anchor your mind in the present moment.
Preparing for mindful walking.
Choose a quiet, safe place where you can walk undisturbed, either indoors or outdoors. Wear comfortable shoes and loose clothing if possible. Before you begin, take a moment to stand still, breathe deeply, and set the intention to be fully present during your walk. This preparation helps signal your mind to shift into a mindful state.
Focusing on your steps.
As you start walking, move slowly and deliberately. Pay careful attention to each foot as it lifts, moves forward, and touches the ground. Notice the subtle changes in your balance with every step. Let your arms swing naturally at your sides. Bring your focus back to your steps whenever your mind begins to wander.
Engaging all your senses.
During walking meditation, tune into your surroundings. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Listen to the sounds around you, and notice the air on your skin. Observe the colors, light, and movement in your environment. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them and gently return your attention to your senses and the walking experience.
Ending your walking meditation.
When you're ready to finish, gradually slow your pace and come to a gentle stop. Stand quietly for a moment, noticing any changes in your body or mood. Take a few deep breaths and appreciate the calm you've created. Carry this sense of relaxation and mindfulness with you into the rest of your day.